Hey guys, I'm the Lockpicking Patrolman, and today what I have is a response video to Lock Noob. Earlier today, Lock Noob over in the UK posted a video of him picking a Masterlock 197 EURDSN Fusion. Whew, that's a mouthful. Anyway, I replied back as soon as I saw his video and I said, hey, I've got the same lock, just in miniature. And his lock was, I guess, about, typical hand size, if that makes any sense. But this lock has been sitting in my collection for a while, and I've been wanting to do a video with it. And I don't know how it looks on your guys' end right now, but I'll sneak in, and you can see just how tiny this lock is. Just to give you a sense of scale, I'll put this Masterlock number 3 next to it. You can see this is just a tiny little luggage lock. So anyway, what I'm going to do is pick into it, and we'll see how it works. Alright folks, I've got this lock clamped up in the vise here, and it really is sort of necessary actually to use a vise to pick this lock, which it sounds ridiculous. It's a 2-pin master lock. Obviously, it's too small to have any type of security pins in it, which Lock Noob's padlock that he showed, he strongly felt that, I believe it was pin number 3, actually had a spool in it. This one doesn't have any type of security pins. I have picked it, but the challenge to this lock, the real challenge, is tensioning. And you can see I've taken my thinnest wiper insert tensioner that I have, and I put just a tiny bend in the end of it. And I'm going to wedge that in here, and it's going to take up a lot of the keyway, but down here on the bottom, I can still fit my Sparrow's Tron in there. And if I can do this without being in the way of the camera, then let's go in, and I believe number 2, let's see, I believe number 2 is binding. And I imagine that some of the difficulty with picking just 2 pins comes out of the fact that it's just really tiny. You wouldn't think that, and of course it's not that difficult to pick. It does have a dead core, so it's not spring-loaded, and just like Lock Noob's, the shackle isn't spring-loaded either. And one difference, other than the size, is that Lock Noob's lock was had the pins pointing up here towards the shackle. This one, of course, is sort of upside down. I have no clue what type of key this lock takes. I didn't get it with any keys. Obviously, you're not going to use this for anything in the real world. I wouldn't even use it to secure a laptop bag or suitcase or anything else, just because of the fact that the shackle is so thin. You can see, compared to a Sparrow's Tron, just exactly how thick the shackle is. So, I mean, just a good pair of wire cutters would go through this shackle quite easily. But anyway, no springs in there that I can tell. And let's see, yeah, not key retaining, of course. But anyway, so you do have to pick it though to relock it, so that might be a good thing. But anyway, all right, Lock Noob, I hope that maybe this will complement your lock. I think it does. And I don't know where they sell these here in the US. I've not seen them on the market. Wasn't even able to find it on Google. But anyway, if anybody out there knows the model number of this lock, please put it in the comments below. And guys, have a great time picking. Thanks for watching, And check out Lock Noob's channel. I'll leave a link to his video in my description. Alright guys, have a great day.